Hello everyone, Basic Science Skill Form 1 Topic LSI Laboratory Scientific Investigation by Mr. Fernandez Gesa, Physics Teachers MSM Kuching. So our learning standard, every student is able to understanding science process skill, understanding the step of scientific investigation, conduct the scientific investigation to solve a simple problems. So there are steps in scientific investigation. First, we need to recall the science process skill that you have learned in primary school. There are 12 important science process skills in a scientific investigation. Can you differentiate each skill? We have observing, classifying, measuring and using numbers, making inference, predicting, communicating, using time-space relationship, interpreting data, defining operationally, controlling variables, making a hypothesis, and experimenting. Scientific methods. First, identify a problems. Identify a problem that could be tested with a scientific investigation. Number two, construct a hypothesis. We need to build a hypothesis as an initial explanation of the observation or phenomenon being investigated. The hypothesis has to be tested. This is the important point in our experiment. Number three, variables. Identify the type of variable involved. Variables are physical quantities that influence the observation of scientific phenomena, and it consists of manipulated variables, constant variables, and responding variables. Student needs to know variables can be measured by using measuring instrument. So that is our physical quantity. Number four, plan an experiment. We have to design an experiment carefully beforehand. We also need to choose the right material and apparatus for the experiment. And don't forget to draw the diagram arrangement of apparatus. Conduct the experiment. While conducting the experiment, precaution must be practiced at all times to both obtain a more accurate data. Safety measures must be followed to prevent accidents. Number 6. Collect data. Data collection is carried out carefully using suitable instruments while taking into consideration any random or systematic error that might occur. Make sure the measurements are carried out at least 3 times to obtain more accurate and precise reading. Use a table to record your data. Analyze and interpret data. Analyze must be accompanied by effective communication forms such as graphs or tables. Graphs and tables assist us to easily interpret the data. Make a conclusion. Conclusions are made based on experimental analysis. Either hypothesis is accepted or rejected. If rejected, we need to make a new hypothesis and carry out the experiment again. And the last, write a report. When writing a report, all important data and information must be included. First, problem statement, hypothesis, and variable. We have manipulated variable, responding variable, constant variable, and then material and apparatus, diagram of arrangement of apparatus, procedure, result, analysis and interpretation of data, and the last is conclusion. So during the scientific investigation in our laboratory in any place, that you do, we need to practice scientific attitudes and moral value. So, what are the scientific approach and value that must practice by scientists? So, first, students must have positive attitude and value while conducting investigation. Be interested and curious about surrounding. Be honest and accurate while recording and validating data. Be responsible for your own and other safety as well as for the environment. Let's go through this experiment. So you are required to carry out an experiment to investigate how the length of pendulum affect the time taken for 10 complete swings as the following step. All the materials in this experiment you can change. For example, pendulum bobs, if not available in your home, so you can change it to the others. For example, plasticine, as long it's constant mass. So if you don't have the retort stand with clamp, so you can use the others as long you can tie your string. Okay, stopwatch, you can use your smartphone or you can tag by using your stopwatch or meter rule, as long as you can measure the length of the string. So follow the procedure step by step, and then when we already complete, okay, first we need to repeat 3 times for the length 50 centimeter, and then we gonna find out what is the average by using number 5, procedure number 5, and then we will calculate the time for the swing, and then we will calculate when we have t square. You answer here, and then you square by using your calculator. And don't forget to plot a graph. T square against the length of the pendulum. So LSI report format, after you done the experiment in your house, so you need to state what is the problem statement, write down the hypothesis, aim of experiment, manipulated variable, responding variable, constant variables, materials and apparatus, diagram arrangement of the experiment, procedures, result and data, discussion, and conclusion. All of these need in the report. Conclusion: laboratory scientific investigation, students make a report to record the data and the experiment, and students need to submit their report to the teacher. Thank you for watching. Go to channel Cikgu Fernandez Gesa, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.